6 areas cleaning experts focus on daily for a spotless home. Most people spend hours scrubbing their homes every week, but they miss the one simple trick that keeps everything looking fresh between those big cleaning days. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which 6 spots professional cleaners handle every single day. These aren't complicated tasks. We're talking about areas that take just seconds to clean, but make your entire home feel completely different. Let me tell you something important. Even when you deep clean your house once a week, or bring someone in to do it for you, things get messy between those cleaning sessions. That's just life, especially when you're living in your space every day. But here's what the professionals know. Focusing on specific areas each day changes everything. These high-traffic zones are what cleaning experts call problem spots, and when you give them just a little bit of attention daily, your home stays comfortable and welcoming. If you find these tips helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for Seniors Cleaning Hacks. We share practical cleaning advice that actually works for real people living real lives. And don't forget to tap the like button. It helps other folks discover these useful tips too. Now, let me share something from cleaning professionals Jennifer and Brian Miller, who run Clean Right services. They explain it perfectly. The busiest parts of your home, when you care for them every day, create a huge difference. It changes how your house feels and how you feel inside it, both in your mind and body. That makes perfect sense when you think about it. A clean space helps you feel calmer and more relaxed.
Section 1. Kitchen counters and eating areas. Let's start where most of us spend a big chunk of our time, the kitchen. Your countertops and the places where you eat need attention every single day. Think about how much activity happens in your kitchen. You're making breakfast, preparing lunch, cooking dinner, snacking throughout the day. All that activity means your counters get dirty really fast. Crumbs fall, liquids spill, food particles scatter around. Here's the thing that Jennifer and Brian Miller point out. Cleaning up spills and splashes right when they happen makes your home look so much better. Whether it's inside your microwave, on your stove, or on the wall behind your burners, grab a wet paper towel or cloth and wipe it immediately. And there's another important reason not to wait around. The longer you leave that mess sitting there, the tougher it becomes to remove. Cleaning up a dried spill or splash mark takes 10 times more effort than wiping it fresh, the Millers explain. Your kitchen table deserves the same daily care. Take just 30 seconds to wipe it down before your next meal. Sitting down to eat at a table that's been cleaned just feels good, they mention. When you go to a restaurant, you want a clean table. Why accept anything less in your own house? This simple habit takes almost no time, but creates such a pleasant feeling every time you walk into your kitchen. You'll notice the difference immediately, and so will anyone who visits your home. If you're enjoying these practical tips, please share this video with your friends and family. Everyone deserves a cleaner, more comfortable home, and sharing helps spread these helpful ideas. Drop a comment below telling me which area of your home gives you the most trouble. I read every single comment and love hearing from our Seniors Cleaning Hacks community.
Section 2. Your stove and burner areas, 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. While we're talking about the kitchen, your stovetop needs special attention every day. This area gets messy faster than almost anywhere else in your home. Mary Thompson, who works as a cleaning expert for a major cleaning products company, explains this perfectly. Grease splashes, tiny pieces of food, and spills might not look obvious at first glance, but dirt piles up quickly on a stovetop that doesn't get wiped daily. And here's what makes this worse. When you don't clean those spills and splatters fast enough, they basically cook onto your stovetop surface. This makes them incredibly hard to scrub off later, especially if you have one of those smooth glass stovetops that show every little mark. Clean these messes when they happen. Just make sure your stovetop has cooled down enough to touch safely first. Use a spray cleaner that works on multiple surfaces, Thompson suggests. This advice might sound basic, but it saves you so much effort later. Imagine trying to scrape off burnt food that's been sitting on your stove for 3 days versus wiping up something fresh. The difference is enormous. Make it part of your cooking routine. After you finish making a meal and the stove cools down, take 2 minutes to spray and wipe the surface. That's all it takes to keep your stovetop looking great and prevent those stubborn stains from forming. Your future self will thank you for this small daily effort. Trust me, spending 2 minutes now beats spending 30 minutes later trying to remove baked-on grime.
Section 3. Shower doors and glass. Let's move from the kitchen to the bathroom. Your shower doors need daily attention, but the good news is this task takes almost no time at all. Soap splashes, shampoo drips, shaving cream residue, all of these things end up on your shower doors and glass. When they dry there, they affect how your whole bathroom looks and feels. The Millers from Clean Right Services have a simple solution that works wonders. If you have glass in your shower, keep a small squeegee right there in the bathroom. Use it after every single shower. Now, will this stop all the mineral buildup completely? No, not entirely, but it helps tremendously, and it makes your deep cleaning sessions so much easier when you finally get around to them. The Millers have seen this firsthand with their clients. We've cleaned shower glass that took hours versus shower glass that took just minutes. The whole difference came down to whether the person used a squeegee regularly or not. Think about that for a second. Hours compared to minutes, all because of one simple daily action. Keep a squeegee hanging in your shower. After you're done showering and before you step out, run it down each glass panel. It takes maybe 15 seconds total. Those 15 seconds save you literally hours of scrubbing later. This is one of those cleaning tricks that seems almost too simple to make a real difference, but it absolutely does. Your shower stays clearer, your bathroom looks brighter, and cleaning day becomes so much less stressful. Everyone watching should try this starting tomorrow morning. You'll be amazed at how much easier it makes keeping your shower clean. And if this tip helps you, make sure you're subscribed to Seniors Cleaning Hacks so you never miss our practical advice.
Section 4. Toilet seats need daily attention. Let's talk about something many people overlook. Your toilet seat needs to be wiped down every day, not just when you clean the whole bathroom. Now, you can clean the inside of your toilet bowl once a week. That's fine. But the seat itself, both the top and the bottom, should get wiped daily, according to expert Mary Thompson. In a bathroom that gets used a lot throughout the day, wiping down the toilet seat daily helps keep germs under control, she explains. This prevents germs from spreading around your home and keeps everyone healthier. Plus, it's really easy to do with disinfecting wipes. Thompson recommends keeping a container of these wipes either under your sink or inside the bathroom cabinet. Then teach everyone in your family to use them, so this job doesn't fall on just one person's shoulders. This makes so much sense when you think about it. Bathrooms are where germs gather, and the toilet seat is one of the most touched surfaces in that room. A quick wipe takes maybe 20 seconds, but makes a real difference in keeping your bathroom sanitary. Make this part of your daily routine. Maybe wipe it down every morning after your shower or every evening before bed. Whatever timing works for you, just be consistent with it. Your bathroom will stay fresher, smell better, and you'll have peace of mind knowing that surface is clean. It's especially important if you have grandchildren or other visitors using your bathroom regularly. Section 5. Bathroom sink and counter areas. Your bathroom sink area gets dirty surprisingly fast, whether you have a simple routine or use lots of products. Give the counters and sink a fast wipe to prevent toothpaste splatters and other gunk from piling up, says Maria Roberts, who leads a professional cleaning company. It only takes 60 seconds and makes the bathroom feel much cleaner overall. This is so true. Toothpaste residues, soap scum, water spots, makeup smudges, these things accumulate quickly around bathroom sinks. When you let them sit for days, they get sticky and harder to remove. But when you wipe these surfaces down every day, nothing has time to dry and stick. You're just wiping away fresh moisture and a few small spots. It takes virtually no effort. Keep a spray bottle of bathroom cleaner under your sink along with a cloth or paper towels. After you finish your morning or evening routine, give the counter and sink a quick spray and wipe. Done! This simple habit keeps your bathroom looking and smelling fresh all the time. You won't have that moment of embarrassment when someone needs to use your bathroom unexpectedly. Instead, your bathroom always looks presentable and clean. The sink area is usually the first thing people notice when they walk into a bathroom. Keeping it clean makes a strong, positive impression and makes you feel better about your space too. Remember, we're building these small habits that add up to a consistently clean home. That's what Seniors Cleaning Hacks is all about. Practical, doable cleaning tips that fit into real life. If you haven't liked this video yet, please do that now. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people who need these tips. Section 6. Pet areas and feeding spots. For those of us with furry friends at home, pet areas need daily cleaning attention. Our cats and dogs bring us so much joy, but they also bring dirt and mess. Don't forget about cleaning up pet areas too, Roberts reminds us. Wipe down their food and water bowls and clean the floor around where they eat. This makes a huge difference because pets rarely keep their eating area tidy. Food bits scatter, water splashes, and that dirt gets tracked throughout your entire house on their paws. Take a couple of minutes each day to wipe out their bowls and mop or sweep the floor around their feeding station. This prevents dirt from spreading to other rooms and keeps the area more sanitary for your pet, too. If you have a cat, pay special attention to the litter box area. Consider putting a mat underneath and around it to catch stray pieces of litter. Then vacuum or sweep that mat daily to keep those little bits from getting tracked everywhere. Cat litter travels surprisingly far on little cat paws. A daily quick vacuum around that area stops it from spreading through your whole house. These pet area cleanups take just a few minutes, but make your home smell fresher and look cleaner. Plus, it's better for your pet health to eat from clean bowls and live in a tidy space.
So, there you have it. 6 specific areas that professional cleaners focus on every single day. Let me recap them quickly for you. First, your kitchen counters and eating surfaces need a daily wipe to prevent buildup and keep things pleasant for meals. Second, your stovetop needs attention after cooking to prevent grease and food from baking onto the surface. Third, squeegee your shower doors after every shower to minimize hard water buildup and make deep cleaning easier. Fourth, wipe down your toilet seat daily to control germs and keep your bathroom sanitary. Fifth, give your bathroom sink and counter a quick daily wipe to prevent toothpaste and soap scum buildup. And sixth, clean your pet feeding areas and surrounding floors to prevent dirt from spreading through your home. None of these tasks takes more than a couple of minutes, but together they create a home that feels consistently clean and welcoming, even between your major cleaning days. The secret isn't working harder, it's working smarter by focusing on these high-impact areas that make the biggest visible difference. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and I want to thank you for watching today. If you found these tips useful, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos. We share practical cleaning advice designed for real people living real lives. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and share it with anyone who could benefit from these simple tips. Drop a comment telling me which of these 6 areas you plan to start tackling daily. I love hearing from our community. Remember, a few minutes each day in the right places makes all the difference. You don't need to spend hours cleaning to have a home that looks and feels great. You just need to be smart about where you put your effort. Until next time, keep your home comfortable, keep it clean, and keep it simple. See you in the next video from Seniors Cleaning Hacks.